We reached the Zagreb to get rid of some cars, and here is the Notre Dame. They are moving this from France from obvious reasons. You will not hear this in normal media, you know. I hope you don't trust me as well. Eight years ago, I just took one of those into the cart in the supermarket, and now, after 8 years, I can say clearly I have a hoarding issue. There is no way to move. The boxes are everywhere. Everywhere there is this little tiny bastards. And if you are thinking that's a lot, I will show you the other part. That's another little portion which I'm mentally prepared to get rid of. And this is on the crossroad. And trust me, that's not even a 30% of this which I collect through these years. It's always starting the same, just from one little car. As soon as you will turn, you will end it up like me. I can just evaluate, I have between 8,000 till 10,000 these little bastards, and yeah, I believe it times to come to reduce this number. Oh, I'm such a shitty storyteller, like I forgot to make a round and make the nice video about everything. Approximately it was, I don't know, 50 tables, and I believe it's visit us around 100, maybe 150 people. Mostly everybody knows each other, and it's more like a gathering than some fairs or something. It's some people searching something, some people want to get rid of something, and I believe most of them, they are in this pretty common situation like me. Yeah, let's go back to the shed. So it's been a week, and did I succeed? Well, partially. The old chair, found it on the trash. I was throwing out this in my company, I took it. It's still here, I didn't have any other option for this moment. As you can see, it's still pretty messy, but at least there is a space, I can walk. Yeah, it's free. And what else? Now I will install the camera there on the table, and I will show you what I bought and maybe what I would like to get rid of for free. So the question is now what I bought there. I was searching pretty long time the Mercedes W24 in touring version. So here it is. It was quite overpriced, but prices in Poland, they are even now actually higher. So yeah, here it is, my Mercedes. I bought this beautiful lexicon of old Japanese cars. It will be really good if I will be able to read German, because it's in German language. Also, it doesn't matter. And absolute gem, which I bought, is this book about Ford from 38. Unfortunately, it's in Croatian. It will be good if I will be able to read in this Croatian Serbian language. But yeah, but I just cannot hesitate. The book is from 38, so year before the Nazi Germany attacked Poland. And yeah, so it was absolutely must have. And you will be wondered, I paid for this book just €1 on the street. Somebody just throw this out, and the guy who is collecting the books from probably from garbage, or I don't know, some recycling center, he have this in one of his boxes. And what else? If you survive till now, let's say I will have something for you. All you need to do is subscribing my week channel, and you can choose one of those. Of course, this is just an overview, and they are 70 centimeters long, 68 by 48, and they are on really cool quality paper. I can guarantee you never ever have poster in better quality than this ones, and yeah, it's absolutely free. I will write the first number, so the first person actually can write as a reply, second, third, and so on in the replies, and we will choose one person in next video which will get it. And let's say for the second option you will get this Johnny Lightnings from 95 and this beautiful VHS cassette presentation of Ford Mondeo. Do you really remember this 20 TDCi? I believe all of them, they are long time ago, was scrapped in whole Europe. That this engine was a disaster. I don't know, did some of you or your family have this unluck to bought one of those, but they was really crappy. So that's it. I hope we will meet in Big Mini in I believe it's end of December. Yeah, if I will be in Croatia, then for sure I will show up. See you guys, and let me know, did you have the same issues with collecting the cars? Did you are running out of the space? I chose the 164 because I was thinking it will be endless space, and now I'm with this. Let me know how it's in your situation, yeah, and catch you soon or something. Ciao.